Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Kade and today is 17th November 2022. In this session, we will discuss about difference between object-oriented programming system and the procedural programming system. Object-oriented and procedural-oriented programming both are used to develop the applications. Both of them are high-level programming language. These two are very most important concept, and it is also important to know the difference between them. We will discuss the comparison between procedural programming and object-oriented programming. First, in procedural programming, it is a programming language that is derived from structure programming and upon the concept of calling procedure. It follows the step-by-step approach in order to break down a task into set of a variable. In an object-oriented programming system, object-oriented programming is to computer programming designed a philosophy that organize or model software design around the data or the object rather than the function of and logic. Next one is in procedural programming. It is less secure than object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, the data hiding is possible. It is a concept in object-oriented. The concept is due to the abstraction, so it is more secure than the procedural programming. In procedural programming, it follows the top-down approach. The next one is in object-oriented programming. It follows the bottom-up approach. In a procedural programming system, data moving within the system from one function to another function. In object-oriented programming, object can move and communicate with each other via method function. The next one is in a procedural programming. It is a structure or a procedure oriented. While object oriented programming, it is object oriented programming. The procedural programming, there is no access modifiers, but in object oriented programming, there are basically four access modifiers, which are public, private, then protected, and default. This is all about the difference between object oriented and procedural oriented. Thank you.